So I think in most of the families, right, it's just one person who gets used to this idea of gentle parenting. Usually, it's hearing from someone through word of mouth or coming across articles or reading it in a book or things like that, right? And in fact, in family therapies, right, that's how it works. You start with one person. That person will make certain changes in their actions and behaviors, and the other people around them will observe the changes that this person is undergoing, and they will also mirror it. So that's how family therapies work. Okay. Now here, say the mom is the first person to understand about gentle parenting, right? Like she could start with the partner by sharing the Instagram post or the book images, like taking a proper photograph of the book, sharing the key highlights with people in the house or the partner on WhatsApp or Instagram messages or anything like that. And more than that, apart from creating awareness, right? Uh, it's about explaining why you're doing this, why it is important to you, what kind of difference will it make when the child is an adult later. So explaining the importance, explaining your why will make your partner and other people in the house, and if in a joint family, understand why you're doing things in a certain way. And it's okay if it is just you at the moment. You can keep doing what you think is right to do, and people around will see the changes in you. People around will see the changes in your child, and a change of approach later.